morning, everybody. This is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations, and I have my May design team package for you. I'm going to share that with you right now, and I am super excited. It is an gorgeous. It's a gorgeous collection, and I'm super excited about it. So I received Photoplay's Coco Paradise, and it is beautiful. So I'm going to share with you my design team package. I'm sorry that it's a little bit late, but I have had an extraordinarily busy week this week, and I haven't had one of those in a very long time. So I was doing the virtual retreat with Country Craft Creations. The birthday bash in-person retreat was in Utah this weekend, and then they also have a virtual option. So I was trying to follow along with that, along with doing a craft fair at my work and changing my whole work schedule around so I could try to accommodate all of this. And so I'm behind the 8 ball, but better late than never. We've got this going on. And then just so you know, I'll give you a quick peek. So boom, I've been working on the design for my first project. So I thought I'd let you know that I have been working on it. So after I get this done, then I'm going to start cutting into it. So one of the things that I got in my design team package, which I'm really super excited about, is trying out these new small craft magnets by Tonic. Now, I did receive, because I was in the virtual retreat as a participant, one of the amazing things is that we got a goodie bag, and in that was the new Tonic bone folder, and I started playing with that last night, and I am loving it. So I'm excited to be using the new Tonic magnets that are in the store right now. These are really nice, and they're thin, and I've got an idea on how I'm going to use these in my project. So yeah, I just can't wait to show you. So anyway, I got a package of those, so I'm really excited. These are 3/8 inch, and they're 1/32 of an inch thick, so that's going to be really nice. So let's get on to Photoplay's Coco Paradise. Beautiful, beautiful tropical collection, and I love the ocean, so this is like totally right up my alley. I just love this. I'm going to go through the papers here real quick. We get 2 of each design in here, I believe. Yes, we do. And so here's the cut apart page. This is gorgeous. Look at the colors. I love the colors. They're just amazing. The back side of that is this beautiful collage-y looking piece that is amazing. Just love it. You can see, you know, faint leaves in here and some journaling, and it's just, the colors are gorgeous. I'm really happy with this. The flamingos are absolutely adorable. So for those of you who are loving flamingos, this is going to be a great collection. On the back of that, we have a bunch of seashells in this background. It's beautiful. That page is called Let's Flamingo, by the way. I love that. This one's called Sweet Escape. This is a gorgeous little collection. Almost looks like little paint splotches over across the background. Gorgeous. The back side of this is this gorgeous yellow with a lot of just beautiful detail in the background. So I love that. I got Paradise Found. Here's this page, and it has the beautiful pink palm trees with the writing in the background. Gorgeous colors. On the back of that, this beautiful, beautiful color, this kind of teal color with the writing in it. Just beautiful. Let's see. Got this page here, has a lot of different cut aparts, so I like that. Lots of different sizes, which is really nice for decorating in your projects. So that is really cool. I'm glad I got 2 of these because I do like to have one that I can use the back page for. So I'll use one for the cut aparts and one for the back page. I love that. That is absolutely beautiful. And then let's see here. We've got this one, Tropical Floral, which is beautiful. Look at all the, oh, just gorgeous, gorgeous. And the turtles. You have to love the turtles, right? I love that. So I got that. Then this collection also comes with stickers. So this sticker sheet is beautiful. Flamingos and the turtles and all the things. Got some butterflies, some flowers. Just gorgeous. So this is going to be fun. The project that I have in mind, I think you're going to really like. So then the other thing I got was a variety of cardstock papers that I'm going to incorporate in my package. So I've got this beautiful shimmer paper here. This is My Colors Irish Cream. Is that not gorgeous or what? So this is a really nice shimmer paper. It has a little bit of texture on it. Hope you can see that. It's really gorgeous. Then I got this beautiful paper. Look at that beautiful green. This one is My Colors, and this is called Kiwi. So that is, again, a gorgeous paper. And I'm going to show you in a sec here. I'm going to put it with the stickers and I'll just show you how perfectly these match. Here is another paper from My Colors. This one is Coral Rose, and it has a very nice texture on that paper as well. The kiwi is smooth. This is glittered. This is textured here. And then I've got also another textured, and this is one of my favorites, Aqua Tint. I love that one. So let me show you with the stickers kind of how beautifully those colors work with this paper. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. And then the other thing that I got, which I want to show you, is that I did get Summer Ivory. This is Artisan cardstock from Country Craft Creations, and it's one of my favorite colors. I love it because it's not a white, it's not neutral. It has a subtle yellow to it, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So this is going to look absolutely gorgeous, excuse me, with this collection as well. If I can get it under there with one hand here, I'll show you. But look at how pretty all those colors are together. I mean, isn't that going to be beautiful? So I'm going to use the Summer Ivory, which is the Artisan cardstock from Country Craft Creations, as the base of my album. And I haven't quite decided if I'm using chipboard or not with it. I haven't gotten as far as that part yet, but I will definitely let you know when tutorial time comes. So I will be using the Summer Ivory Artisan cardstock, and then I'm using this gorgeous collection by Photoplay, and this is Coco Paradise by Photoplay. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to be using that whole collection. There are 12 sheets, and there's 6 different designs. So I got 2 of each, so I can use, you know, all the things, and I think that's going to make a beautiful album for what I have in mind. And then again, I got Irish Cream, Kiwi, I forgot already, Coral Rose, and Aqua Tint, My Colors cardstock to go with it. So that's what I'm using for my design team projects for May. I'm going to have the opportunity to try out the new Tonic craft magnets. I'm super excited about that, and I will see you soon with my tutorials. They will be coming soon. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Go visit Country Craft Creations at countrycraftcreations.com. Get your stuff, and we'll be making some projects here real soon. All right, stay crafty. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.